Hello and welcome. I have here to show you this EuraMobil vehicle, which is the Integra Line. It is on a Fiat 720 EB. It's 741 centimeters long, 232 wide, 286 high, 131,000 euros. So it's not the top of the range, but it's a pretty nice vehicle. Mind you, for 131,000, you expect it to be pretty good. Right, first thing, there's a double floor, and I want to show this immediately. And mind you, this one again, you expect a double floor. So it's not as deep as, I'm putting my hand in like that. So it's not as deep, for example, as you'd find in a Hymer or a Carthago, for example, but it's there and it'll do its job, which is storage, but above all, keeping you warm. You've there got your tank, your water tank release, which you might want to use in winter to drain the vehicle. On that subject, it's for as far as drainage is concerned, I always like to drive my vehicle around a little bit once I've drained it, just to get rid of the last drops. There are some other things you can do using balloons, which we might have to do a demonstration of. Okay, this vehicle here, it's got this German layout at the back, and so we've got storage at the back, we've got windows on the side, we've got nice curtains over the windows, obviously you get the musketeer and the darkening screen. We've got storage on either side, there you go. Alde heating in here. There's the glycol, seems a bit low to me, but maybe there's a good reason for that. And under here we have got storage, which you can see. I just want to show you the bed as well. This bit here will actually lift up, but I'm not going to demonstrate it because I've got all these things on top of it. But so we'll have to look at it through here. You see, you've got through there shelves. Could do with all. Oh no, the light. There's the light goes up there. It's not, hasn't been installed. I'm sure they install it if you bought one. And there's the wardrobe as well. So down here, steps up to the bed, of course, and in here you've got stacks and stacks of storage, and you've got a way for your pet snake to get into the garage. If I open this up like this, that'll be the size of the bed. You can sort of see from there, and somewhere there'll be a ladder to get into the bed. Right, let's come through here, and now the big question is, where's the light? Because I thought I turned it on, and doesn't matter. You can see here, EuraMobil started doing this design at the back, and you'll also find it in Mobilvetta vehicles as well. I bet most people don't like that in a shower. That's my guess. I like it, and seeing as I've got no taste, I'm just assuming that no one else is going to like it. There's right, toilet, elegant. Oh, there's your first aid kit. I like something like that. Oh, very good. Don't like that though. The bowl, I think, should be in the side part. Window in the door, window in the wall. Big one like that. And here we have, isn't that clever? Yeah, we'll leave it like that to demonstrate. Very good idea. And coming through here, we've got the sink. Oops, sorry. And we've got two burners. And we've got storage in the kitchen cabinet here. And we've got a fridge with a freezer and the hose, and a hose. So it's not the hose for the shower, it's a hose. I think it's the outside shower hose. I mean, you would want to keep the outside shower hose in the fridge. There is a grill, wonderfully large area at the front, and there is up there a drop down bed. Here this comes out, slide out pantry, and that's a quick look at this vehicle. So I'll take you on the outside and to the lovely large garage. I think this will take 300 kilos in this as well. Somebody's put these there. That's for the bed, I think. I don't know what that's for. Some of the vehicle. Whilst I'm here, I'm going to show you the same model with a queen bed. That's your gas. Come in here quickly. It's the same except the cost 125,800, which though this of course will depend on equipment. So this has got a face-to-face setup. You could have a face-to-face setup in the other one, I think, as well. Queen bed here at the back. The rest of it's the same. Shower's the same. Light's not on here either. And light's not on here. I didn't turn the light on, sorry. In that case it's my fault for not turning the lights on. But anyway, it gives you a look. You can also, which I didn't show, you've got doors, sliding door across here to close it with. Alright, so I walked in here quickly. So we'll put this up. Oh, sorry, wrong one. Put this up like that. Turn on the 12 volt, and there you go. And the shower's still not on. Oh, never mind. These things, you actually remember the last settings as well. So it's not until you have to go on turning everything else on individually each time. And even some of the cheaper vans, it works in the same way. It's not just sort of the high-end stuff like this. Right, there you go. So this is, you see, it's the same thing. Integra Line 720. That's QQ, meaning queen bed. So what's the price? That's 129,600. I got the price wrong. I don't always remember things. Good. So thanks very much for watching. Hope you found that interesting. Yeah, I can show you. No, it's a 730. No, I'll show you that one in a separate video. Okay, so thanks for watching. Hope you found it interesting. All the best from me in Dusseldorf, Germany. Bye for now.